everyone, I'm Mahenoor and welcome back to my channel MahenoorS Glam. Today I'm gonna show you guys a soft glam makeup tutorial. I hope you guys will like the look. So without wasting any time, let's get started. I will start with prepping my skin. So at first I will apply some moisturizer all over my face, and here I'm using the Body Shop Drops of Light moisturizer. Actually, this moisturizer is pretty good. Whenever I apply this moisturizer on my face, this gives me an instant glow. After applying the moisturizer, I will apply Boots Essentials Cucumber Eye Gel on my eyelids. Now I will apply some primer all over my face. And I have already done my eyebrows off camera. So now I will start my base makeup, and at first I will apply foundation on my face and my neck. Okay, so at first I will blend my foundation with a foundation blending brush, and after that I will again blend my foundation with a damp beauty blender so the foundation sits on my face really well. And now I will apply some concealer on my face. After that, I will blend my concealer with a concealer blending brush and a damp beauty blender also. Again, I will apply some concealer on my eyelids as my eyeshadow base, and I will blend the concealer with the damp beauty blender. And now I am gonna start my eye makeup. this is the most satisfying part ever. Okay, so my eye makeup is done. Back to my face makeup. I will apply some bronzer on my face. And after applying some bronzer on my face, I will apply some blush on my face. Now I will apply some loose powder under my contour. After that, I will apply some powder under my eyes and on my face to set the foundation and the concealer properly. Now back to the eye makeup, I will apply some mascara on my eyelashes. We will do this step after 6 to 7 minutes of applying this loose powder under our contour. Now I will apply some setting spray to set my makeup. Now my most favorite part, applying highlighter. Can you guys see how much blinding the highlighter is? And again, I will apply some highlighter on the bridge of my nose and on my cupid's bow. And now I will apply some lipstick on my lips. And ta-da! The whole look is done. I hope you guys will like my soft glam makeup look. So don't forget to like my video, share this video and subscribe to my channel. And thank you so much for watching this video. Sayonara.